I am Carl Kenneth Bistal, Section G2I-1. ILA Marine Voyage System, the International Association of Marine Aids to Navigation. ILA Voyage System is a global standard for sea mark that help guide ships. This system uses buoy beacons and others mark to indicate safe water channel and hazard. How it works: buoy are used to mark channel, headline, reef, and other hazard. Color and shape: buoy are designed with different color, shape, and light pattern to convey specific nautical information. Reason: the system is divided into region A and B, accommodate historical differences in voyage practice. Electronic aids: the mark can be complicated by electronic means. Type of mark: literal mark indicate the edge of a channel and the mark and the port and starboard side. Critical mark indicate the right direction of the sea, safe water at a danger spot. Safe water mark indicate deep water and the open end of a channel. Special mark indicate a special area or feature such as a pipe outfall, speed restriction, or water scaling area. Isolated danger mark indicate a hazard to shipping. IALA Region A. IALA is used by country in Africa, most Asia, Australia, Europe, and India. IALA Region A port literal mark on the lights are colored red. IALA A starboard literal mark and lights are colored green. IALA Region B. IALB is used by country in the North, Central, and South America, Japan, Korea, and the Philippines. IALA Region B port literal mark and lights are color green. IALB starboard literal mark and lights are color red. The difference and literal mark: the difference between the two systems is the color and lights. A characteristic used for literal mark as follow: IALA Region B. Region A literal mark and lights are color red. IALA starboard literal marks and region and lights are color green. IALA B Region B port literal mark and lights are color green. IALB starboard literal mark and lights are colored red. Literal mark indicate the port and starboard side of navigable channel. These are used accordance with the direction of voyage for the region for specific location as indicate on marine chart where a channel divided modified preferred channel mark may be used to indicate the preferred routes to take. LA Region A, and literal mark on the starboard side. The channel are colored green and should be passed on the starboard side of the vessel. Those on the port side of the channel should be passed on the port side of the vessel. In LA Region B, the literal mark on the starboard side of the channel are colored red, and on the port side are colored green. Cardinal mark warm of hazard to be avoid, such a shallow of the rock. Marking a shape indicate which side a buoy and a vessel should pass and are placed. Buoy vessel either the north, south, east, and west of the hazard. The vessel should pass to the west cardinal mark, or the east of east cardinal mark, and so on. They are painted on combination of yellow and black, have two distinct cone shape on top, arranged in different combination to help identify them. Isolated danger mark are used to indicate a single hazard, such a wreck which has navigable water all around it. Vessel should keep well clear or the mark on all sides. They are colored black with red band and have two black balls above each other on the top of mark. Insulated